Ever since I launched my clothing line, I've gotten to be extremely creative. And one of my most favorite things to do is getting to plan all of the collection shoots. This winter, I decided to shoot the holiday collection in Mammoth, a place I grew up going to every summer. This is the vlog. Hello guys, we just got to Mammoth. We just pretty much drove here, did not stop. I drove the entire way. Isn't that right? I drove the full thing, the whole way. The whole thing. Look! It's snowing! Yep, you know, it's a winter wonderland. It's really cold. Riley's here.
Oh my god, we're in like a blizzard.
Oh my god, it's icy. Okay, we're unpacking the car, one boot at a time. It is so cold.
We need to have a snowball fight.
Oh my gosh, we should do that. Dang, I didn't bring any snow gloves. Wow. And I had some too. So Hanali's never been to the snow before. We're gonna let her rip, enjoy the snow. I hope she does. I hope she's like one of those dogs that just loves nature and isn't scared. Hanali, your first time in the snow. Come on. Ooh. Hanali, come. Okay, ready? Going. Oh. Oh my god, she's about to make yellow snow!
Yellow snow!
You're crazy, Hanali.
She's like, okay, that was enough of that. Okay, so now that we're finally unpacked, I wanted to give you guys a little tour of our villa slash chalet. I don't know, what would you call this?
It's
a home.
It's an actual home.
But it's like, what do they call it in fancy snow
Chalet.
places?
Chalet.
Chalet. Chalet. It's making me kind of want to buy like a house in the snow. I don't know.
It's a winter home, just casual.
Yeah. If you guys live in like a winter location, leave it down below. Let me know where I should move to find a snowy location. Let's give a tour. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
This is
It's
so
so pretty.
Oh, she's getting. She's getting. Frank Lloyd Wright, he's a cool architect.
It's currently snowing.
Better for some leather and a chew.
Good morning. Good morning. It is day 1 officially of Mammoth. It snowed all night and we woke up this morning
I didn't wake up.
and we're snowed in.
It's snow day.
Snow day. Except it's so cold and the wind is like whipping.
It's a little violent.
It's very violent. But we're trying to figure out how to get down the mountain because we need snow chains, but we don't have any. So we're gonna have to go to the snow chain man and get some, and hopefully it works out. I've never driven like in the snow before.
It's scary. You like slide around. It's like so scary. Yeah, and then like when you like if you're on the side of the road putting on chains, it's like really scary because people could like slide into you. Yeah. It just adds traction to your tires.
But if you have snow chains on, could you like drive into like, you know, a parking lot and park with your snow chains on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
Or do you have to like take them off and then only put them on?
It like makes a weird sound, but I think you can like kind of leave them on a little bit.
We need chains.
We need the chime.
We're snowed in. How are we gonna get down the mountain with no chains to get the chains?
It looks crazy outside.
It looks like scary. Like imagine if you were just alone in the snow
What?
and there were no houses
yeah.
and this was your life, like just
What
trying
I
to
think
get
about
out.
is like the people who like settled here. Like they just like come and they're like, we'll put a house. Like how?
Also, the car is covered in snow, so that's that. So,
We have a lot of snow problems.
yeah.
You missed all the good stuff. You missed all the good stuff, honey.
Oh my god! Was that an avalanche?
I don't know what that was.
They shoot cannons to get to do avalanches so it doesn't happen naturally.
It's so cold!
Here we go, honey. We might need snow chains.
Yeah. Hanley, come on, come on.
Golly gee.
Hanley, come. Come on. Hanley, come. You can go back in the snow later. So we don't have snow chains. We have two-wheel, front-wheel drive. But we need to get down to Chevron to get snow chains. It's a mile and probably a half away. So we're just gonna go slow and steady and not fall off a cliff because we can't all die together. I have to die solo. So it's heroic.
Ready for anything. Ah! Look at that husky. We should go play with them.
Oh, it's like a wolf.
I'm ready for anything. I brought snacks too in case we crash.
We're making our way downtown. Everything's gonna be fine.
I'll wear these so you can't tell where I'm looking.
Making our way downtown in the snow.
I'm actually
We're
sleeping
gonna
right
get
now.
to Chevron. We're gonna get some snow chains to get to Tahoe and take some pictures that are awesome.
Should we ask this guy for snow chains?
No.
Hey brother, you got any snow chains?
I think he heard you. Snow Chains! That's my rap name, Adam. Snow Chains.
Pretty cool.
That's pretty cute, except I don't know how to rap, so. I don't know what I'm about to do. I've never skied before in my life, and I've never watched anybody ski in my life as well.
Just make sure you remember pizza and french fries.
Oh, pizza is this
Pizza and french fries, that's all you need to know.
We're about to shred the gnar. My name's Snowflake. I'm not Elaine. Not today.
No
Not today.
My name is Jennifer Winters.
Yep.
And I'm a 3-time Olympic medalist. I invented pizza and french fries. Let's do this. Maybe. Join them. I got you. I got you. Can we put this on now? Can we put it on now?
I don't know, I've never done skiing so I can't help you.
Oh gosh.
I've never done skiing, but when you're in school they tell you pizza and french fries is like the shape of your skis. So like french fries is like this, and you're gonna pick up speed. And when pizza's like this, and it like that controls your speed.
Okay.
So like if you want to slow down, I think you go like pizza.
Coming for you. Yeah.
How do people go down mountains like this?
What you doing?
Going in reverse.
There you go.
What is this?
my choice to make. I turn to go, I'm afraid of the daylight. She takes my hand and says it's alright, it's alright. She pulls when I push, she leads the